Hello, friends. I am Monica Nagpal from Hope and Happiness, and it is my mission to help people to bring out their inherent potential of being happy and hopeful so that they can lead a fulfilled and meaningful life. And in the current series, From Ordinary to Exemplary, I am speaking to women who have tapped their inherent potential, their feminine energy, and become exemplary. So today I welcome Sonal Puri. Welcome Sonal on the show.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So I will give a brief introduction, though it is not brief actually, it is a very big introduction, Sonal, because it is really a transformative journey which she is going to share with us today. So Sonal has graduated in sociology honors from Delhi University, and she had worked in the most prestigious hospital of Asia, that is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, as a coordinator in organ donation department. By nature, she is a very optimistic person and takes things in a very positive way. The transformative journey, which started by quitting this government job, ultimately led Sonal to become an accomplished beauty pageant holder with several accolades under her belt and more exciting projects underway. She loves gymming and she calls herself gym alcoholic. And also going to gym and working out makes her day very beautiful. And she thinks that being fit and healthy is the most important thing today. Other than that, she loves dancing, exploring new places and meeting new people. And she has already shared one quote, and I will just say that. She says, "Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. So always give your 100% and be passionate about what you like. Work hard to reach your goals and never give up." So wonderful, Sonal, already an inspiration. Welcome once more. Please tell us your inspirational journey, the transformation journey that you have already gone through.
Thank you so much, Didi. I'm obliged that you told so much about myself. आपने तो सब कुछ मेरे बारे में बता ही दिया है, and I'm very happy that you are taking me on this role as becoming ordinary to an extraordinary woman. So it's from my childhood that I want to become a model. I just love doing ramps, doing modeling, and it always fascinates me. The glamour world always fascinates me, and just from inside, I can't explain. It's my inner voice coming out within me from last many years. I was into job with All India Institute of Medical Sciences, as you told. And I quit my job after doing my government job for 20 years. It's 3 years back from now at the age of 42. So I was pretty much surprised today that how I am able to do all these things. कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता है. आज भी अगर इस बारे में सोचें तो कुछ समझ नहीं आता है कि ये 3 साल मैंने अपने आप को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लिया. इट्स रियली अनबिलीवेबल फॉर मी एंड फॉर माय फैमिली मेंबर्स. मेरी डॉटर भी देखती है, एंड एवरीवन इज सो ओवरवेल्म्ड बाय माय दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. या
So what brought about this transformation in your life? What was that inner calling that brought about this transformation, Sonal?
Yeah, when I was into job, all the time, it's from 9 to 5 job, just sitting. It's a government job, just sitting and doing your work. But yes, that is also a passionate thing, doing organ donation work, counseling to people, awakening people regarding organ donation. It's a good job. I can't. लेकिन फिर भी there is something, some inner voice is telling me कि no, you are not meant for this. Do something else. यहाँ से निकलो. This is not your place. do something, निकलो यहाँ से और कुछ बनो, do something for yourself. But सब लोग मुझे बोलते थे कि yeah, it's a government job, तो women के लिए it's a secure job, don't leave the job. If you want to do something, do alternatively with the job. But I said no, I will do whatever I want to do. And I asked God to give me strength, and I just quit the job 3 years back.
And then rest is history, that you have really made history out of that. You believe in your instincts, you believe in your intuitiveness, and that has really paid off, and you had to start to work on yourself. So tell us about your transformation physically also. Please just throw some light on that. How you could transform yourself physically so that you could become what you have become today.
Actually, I was very much into that gymming part. I just love going to gym, working out, whether it's a cardio workouts or weight trainings. It really fascinates me. And slowly and steadily, I find that I am losing my weight and I'm toning myself. And I want to tell you all that I was 85 kgs when I joined the gym in 2014. And within 2 years, I lost 30 kgs of weight after my rigorous workouts. And of course, with that, I joined the diet plans also, and I just overcome my all the worries, and it boosted my confidence level, and it's a total transformation. I will share my photographs at the 85 kgs. You can imagine what 85 kgs look like and what 55 kg. I just lost 30 kgs within 2 years. So it just boosted up my confidence level. And I quit the job and I entered this glamour world, which is I am very passionate about since my childhood.
Wonderful. So Sonal, it was like you had to love yourself. No, first thing was to love yourself. How you started to love yourself as you are, and you had that inherent thing that yes, I will do something on this glamour world. And for that, you wanted to first transform yourself internally, and then you have to do it externally. So your first instinct, that how you have transformed yourself inside, and what were those experiences? What is those learnings from those experiences that you would like to share with us? What are the learnings?
I would like to tell that I am a self-motivated person. My personality is like I am a self-motivated personality, and I don't know, some power is there which is bringing me and giving me this strength. I just transform my weaknesses into strength, and I fix a goal for me. Yes, I want to do this, and it's a never going back again. After quitting my job, I just बस आगे ही आगे बढ़ना है, पीछे मुड़ के कुछ नहीं देखना है. So I started gymming, workouts, losing weight, then entering into Mrs. India Universe, then Mrs. India, and it's on and on and on. It's never ending journey.
Yes. So as you have reached this stage, and there is a learning from each stage, that you learn to never give up. So the focus learning from your journey was never give up, never look back, but take the learnings from the back. Like whatever you had, you are learned from back, you have taken that, and you have grown as a person. So it is important how as a person you have grown, how as an individual you have really become exemplary because of your transformation. And it is important to understand that what is that feminine power inside you, what is that feminine energy inside you which helped you to do this. What was that feminine energy? Because if you see that transformation, to even the masculine energy will be able to do that transformation. They will go gymming and they will lose weight, because that is a masculine energy, because they want to they have targets always. In the companies they have targets for their weight, they have targets. but how as a feminine energy you were able to do all this transformation. Yes, Sonal, so what is that one female feminine energy that you had, or what you think will keep you afloat for a long time, and what helped you to transform yourself?
Yeah, as I told that yes, I am a self-motivated person, and it's my inner strength. The transformation which I have done from the last 2-3 years after quitting my job, and just thinking about that, never give up on anything. You have to follow your dreams, and I am compassionate about all those things. Ki yes, one day you will achieve what you want, your goals. I'm very much focused about all those things. It's my goal, my focus, my determination, my hard work. Everything helped me a lot. It's a total transformation. It's my inner strength, my feminine strength, you can say.
Right.
So that changes a lot.
Absolutely, Sonal. So
Yeah.
during this time, did you anytime feel that this is only for you, or you could become an example for so many women out there? Probably you had friends at this age, you had friends who were also fighting their weight problems and probably their self-esteem problems, and then you would, by doing this, become an example for them.
Yes, of course. I just want to say just four things. Firstly, you have to set your goal, what you want to become in your life. Do you really want some goals for yourself? Only for yourself, not for your family members or your husband or your daughter. For yourself only. Give me time to yourself. Just sit and think over it. What exactly you want to be in your life. Set one goal and just follow that goal. So whatever comes in between, it will vanish automatically. You just have to be focused on whatever you want to be. And I just suggest all the viewers and all the feminine powers. I know ki feminine powers is the most strongest thing on this earth.
Yes.
They can just change the world. We all together can change the world.
Absolutely, and it is
Yeah.
a need of the hour. It is a
Yes,
need
and yes,
that
yeah,
now we are
it's a need of an hour, right?
There have been kind of a problems in the world where we have seen lot
Yeah.
of changes, we have seen environment degradation. We are also seeing that the world is going through this pandemic, and we have seen
Yes.
places where women had led the countries. Those countries have managed well
Right.
in these COVID times. So, what was that which helped these women leaders to really bring about that feminine power in them, feminine energy, basing all their decisions on those feminine energy? They were able to combat this COVID-19, and they were able to really bring about that kind of a peace and lot of health in their own countries. So it is through that nurturing nature of the feminine power, the feminine energy.
Feminine power and your self love.
Yes.
You have to love yourself first. Then you can love others.
Yes. So self-care is very, very important, as
Yeah.
Sonal brought about this. That self-care is very important. We should not be leaving ourselves behind. We should not feel that we don't deserve how we are or what we are. We don't deserve to be happy, or we don't deserve to be in with the other people around us. They are most important. But it is that feminine power of nurturing. So nurturing starts with yourself. First nurturing yourself, and then nurturing your environment.
Right.
So any last thing which you would like to tell to the women who are in now their 40s or 50s, that they think that life is done now, they want to just get their children married and they can just sit down at home, or they have really killed their inner yearnings and they are really frustrated sometimes. So do you have any special message for them?
Yeah, only a simple saying that never give up. Never give up on your dreams. Be passionate what you want to be. Be passionate, compassion, bring compassion in yourself. And just be strong. Your inner, just listen to your inner voice. Sit and listen to your inner voice. That's it.
And it is
That's
never
what I want to say.
late to start again. That is the most important thing. I think we should never think that we cannot start. You can start anytime.
Yeah.
So this is the most important thing.
Age is just a number. For me, age is just a number. Yeah.
Wonderful said, Sonal. So wonderful to have Sonal here, who has really transformed her life based on her feminine energy. So thank you, Sonal, for being here, and it was really wonderful to have you on our show today. So viewers, we are going to launch the program Devi in the Navratras. So the Devi is going to emerge in the Navratras, and Devi means dynamic emergence of your visionary intuitiveness. So come join us on this course, which is about feminine energy, feminine power, how we can awaken, how we can reclaim our feminine energy. That is what we will be dealing in this course. So welcome all of you to this course. We will be sharing the details later. Thank you so much, Sonal, once again for coming on the board. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Namaste.